1, 2, 3, let's go!
Menjaga jarak selamat antara satu sama lain. Meskipun beberapa kegiatan akan disambung.
So kalau korang tanya kenapa diorang tepuk tangan, sebab my teacher tak datang hari ni. Habis tu diorang tepuk tangan pasal diorang video call. My teacher video call. So like dia tepuk tangan lah. I don't know, my class. So basically my teacher is not in school today and she gonna teach us in class. Lagi sekali, at that timing I was so stupid because I very tired. So what I meant was my teacher gonna teach us through the video call. Yeah? So not in class. Ouch. So kalau korang dengar kan, my classmate was making noisy. Mak kau noise. So what I said was, so my class was making so much noise. But yeah, my class is always like that. Hey guys, sorry that I never talk a lot since just now. Cause I actually tak boleh cakap, like cannot use phone in class. And I'm supposed to put my phone inside the locker. And this is the last period, like PE is the last period. So after this I have to go home. I'm very tired, like the whole day. Like I cannot even like focus on study. I mean like I can lah, but instead. Oh my god! Shah, come here. Oh, Shah. Oh my, so beautiful my camera. Hello guys, panas terik guys. So panas. Lawas siap kelak dia. Oh my. Geraklah apa je. Kau lah stop bodoh. Geraklah. Mak. Hey, I'm home and I want to go rest for a while. Okay guys? Hey, terima kasih kakakku. Kakakku kasih extra sandwich for me. I'm too lazy to play Fortnite. Vlogging. So I finished. Okay, that gila nak mampus, pepeluh. So dah habis main game, nak makan apa. Oh, I think my brother gonna make something special. Agaknya dia nak buat barbecue. Apa barbecue? Pepper broccoli. carrot tak bercuci, tak tahu nak buat apa. Sekarang nak makan lapar. Lapar, makan apa ada? Oh, macam ni, tengok nak. Oh, bangun tidur. Wow, lawannya. Inilah selalu I nampak pagi-pagi matahari ni matahari pula. Dah nak maghrib. Apa panggil dia terlupa. Inilah saya Adi selalu nampak. Every day lah. Wow, masya-Allah. Like you can stare all the way, all the day, man. Oh, hello makcik. Oh, tak apa. Dah tak ada dah. Tak macam cool Okay. That's not it for today lah. Like, I want to do a Q&A. I already put on Instagram. Like, Wi-Fi, airplane mode. Ni handphone extra. iPhone dulu. Oppo R15. So I asked for Q&A lah to them at my Insta story, and I asked them to give me the like random. So like okay lah. So Q&A pertama ialah orang cakap hello. I say hello back. Hello vibes. Then the next question is dari my friend Hakim. Dia cakap, who is your editor for this intro? You guys already see the intro, right? My friend do for me, you know guys. Do for me for free. Terima kasih lah, ya Allah. Terima kasih lah Hakim untuk buatkan intro dengan outro actually. Nanti korang tengok outro. Alamak, bising lah. Orang tengok orang ni kat luar. After that, my second one is from Ratu, my friend also. Bising. Nah, okay. So Ratu cakap, why are you so talented? Mana aku tahu. Like talented mana? I don't know if I was so talented. Like tidak ke nyanyi. Kalau kamu lagi tengok, check kat Instagram. My Instagram kat link under my bio. Dan dia cakap, another one question from Ratu. He say, how to always be positive? Okay, a lot of people like I know a lot of people being sad, like depressed this year pasal COVID-19. Actually tak tahulah kalau korang depressed ke tak. I mean like kalau nak ada positive mindset, kita lah kena macam ada positive mindset and like sense kemana. Kita kena ada positive mindset, kita kena think about positive thing, tak mahu pasal negative thing. Think about something like makes you happy. If you think something that makes you happy, you will feel the positive vibes on you. So you do like ada negative sangat. So like yeah, I guess don't be negative. I think negative is too bad, like so bad. Don't be negative, okay? Aduh, penat juga buat video ni. Ni my friend dari Fifi cakap favorite artist ialah I love Sufi Rashid. I love Taufik Batisah. Taufik Batisah nyanyi sedap. Pasal datang kita pergi Suria Electron, dia nyanyi sedap, goosebumps semua. Okay, I think Taufik Batisah is my favorite artist. Then another one for Ratu. What do you want for your birthday? I never hear people saying this. For my birthday, I want like, I don't need anything to be honest. I just want like people to give me wishes lah, macam Instagram wishes semua, and like give me a gift wish semua. Tak payah present actually. I don't need present cause I already have everything. Alhamdulillah dapat semua lah. What are your thoughts on Black Lives Matter? That's very hard to answer. Cause right, sekarang news banyak keluar. Black Lives Matter, cops killing black people. I mean like that's wrong though. Like you have to treat people equally. Don't treat people differently, you know. Like we made from Allah gitu. Like you have to. We all made from Allah. Like we all are the same, equal. Do not treat them differently. Like if you treat them differently, they thought that like they are like very bad like that. Like you are special than them, you know, like that. But we all are same equally. Okay, so no, this. So he say another one is, what are your thoughts on racism? Oh, so bad. Sama juga. Tak mau racist. Like racist gila. Kalau public orang cakap, orang hitam, orang minyak. Itu kan. Diam je, tak mau cakap apa. Cantik pun dia. Orang minyak boleh masak. Ceking je. Cakap, what are your thoughts on people who can't just shut up? Annoying lah. I think he's talking about me. Okay, let's skip that one. I think he's talking about me. So another one, he say, why singing? I don't know. Like, okay, I start singing when I was like primary school, younger than that actually. So my cousin and my sister, kita buat talent show lah, like main game talent show. So like I become a contestant lah. So I become a like performer. Then I don't know what to do. I just sing to them. Then I remember when they like, wow, you can sing. I was like, what? Really? And kat primary school, I start singing. Primary 5, I start singing with my best friend Daryl. That's why I start singing with him lah. But he teach me a lot cause like I sing sometimes rabak gila. Dan sekarang macam I keep on singing. Even though I don't quit, I don't give up. I won't quit also, like apa nak quit gitu So like I don't stop singing cause I love singing. It's my passion, and I want to become a big performer one day, like be on stage, inshallah lah. Yeah, Kak, do you have any other talent? I have. I think drawing is my another talent. I draw a lot of photos, like different types of people photo macam gitu. It just that kalau orang, I like to draw people cause like macam wah, relaxing, you know. It's like very relaxing drawing people. Ya Kak, when is your birthday? My birthday is on 6 August. Habis dia cakap 6 August, I know. Habis asal kau bilang aku asal kau tanya, asking me. Asal kau asking me. So another one from Izudin. Dia cakap, why you suddenly change but not in a good way? Entahlah. I don't know if I also don't know lah. I mean like everyone always change, you know, like every year, every month, people confirm change. They cannot stay at the same level people. Like you can't stay at the same thing, be kind semua. I mean like I respect people, but then like I sometimes like lazy to talk to them also. Now I become lazy to talk to people cause like I malas nak layan people. Nak cakap pun malas. So kalau orang cakap hi, tak mau cakap hi, wave dia. I malas nak wave dia, tapi hi. So ni dari Ryan. Rai. Cakap, is that the same design that Asad Mota used the face with mask and line in the middle? Yeah, that one is another person made for me. Wallpaper. I will show you guys the picture here. Yeah. So another one is, who is my favorite singer? Taufik Batisa from my cousin Atika. Kak Ika is my cousin. Yeah. So that's for today. Ada tu je apa yang Q&A I have for today. Thank you for watching guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Harap-harap my English tak rabak sebab tu cakap Melayu banyak kan. So harap-harap bahasa orang Melayu tengok cerita ni, cerita pula YouTube video ni. So terima kasih lah tengok. Be positive semua. Tak mau merayap. Be safe everyone. Stay home every time, but like tak mau merayap lah. I know sekolah dah start, tak mau merayap. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe to me if you haven't, like if you haven't. Comment down below or what video should I do, maybe if you guys want to say anything lah. Another thing is be positive everyone. Thank you for watching and peace.